And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 66. Let me show you how you can delete segments between two nodes. When we have a line, we have two nodes, but this doesn't work for start and end point. And it actually says that here the nodes have to be non-endpoints. But if I double click here using the nodes tool in center and I select the two in center, now the function works. Keep in mind when you just want to split a line like that, it's still connected. You have to go to path and break it apart first. And now these lines are two individual objects. This also works on closed shapes. Let me give that a fill, no stroke. And I go to path, object to path for this rectangle. So we have 4 nodes. If you directly select them here, this might not work. I believe it has got something to do with the snapping. But if I create new nodes, for example, here on the left-hand side first, now select them, you can see now it works. And I can also select the 2 here at the bottom. It's a little bit of a weird behavior that it doesn't work directly for these top nodes. But again, just create a new one with a double click on the line and then use it. And afterwards, you can even select the ones that were there before and delete them just like that. And this is how you can delete segments between two nodes in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.